Well, hello there everyone, David, your friendly hairy Scotsman here. Now, you may see a planter with some strawberries on it. I grew them. And now they're just starting to go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to chop them. So, first one. Actually, tell you what we're going to do. I'm going to zoom in a wee touch on it and see if you can see it. It's my big tripod, so it needs a wee bit of wiggling about. There we go. Turn that a bit so I can see. Right. So we have this one. We have this beast. And then up a bit, and so I'll have to move these again, sorry about all this. Like so. This big one at the back. Come in here. Ooh, there's one there. Ready to go. That's a bit small, but they don't really grow much when they're that size. Okay, that's gone off. So I'll put that in the bucket. I'm not sure about this one. It's a bit dry, so that will go as well. Like so. Now you can see a load of the green ones there, they're starting to get ready. And that is it at the moment. Let's go wide again. Ooh, that was like an earthquake there, sorry about that folks. Put them in there. Now, let's pop the camera up. At the moment you're getting a great view of my beard. So, here we go. I have one bowl of my own grown strawberries. So almost ready. Now, what I'll do, they aren't washed, they're straight off the plant as you can see. You can take a wee bite and see if they're anything like. They've not got a lot of smell. Oh, in the bowl they do. So I'm going to take a wee nibble of which one? Take a wee nibble of that one. The juice that's just come out of that was unbelievable. That was nice. First bite of the first set of strawberries I've ever grown myself. I'm looking at this. I'm actually thinking that there's going to be a whole lot more. As you can see there, around here, a load of them coming here. One round there, but it's not quite ready for picking. Still green on the back. So, let's have a look, get a bit more light on here. There we go, you can see me now. So I'm going to head off just now. This is just a really quick short one. I'm going to go and share these with my folks, let them have some as well. If you've got any tips for growing these, I'd love to hear them. That was straight out of B&Q. I know you're going to say don't buy them out of B&Q. But straight out of B&Q into fresh compost. Watered with rainwater. Kept damp moist. And yeah, we got some strawberries. So as I say, I'm going to toddle off just now. If you like what I'm doing, I'd appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already done so. Hit the bell, it'll maybe tell you when I'm doing it. If you hit the like button, it lets YouTube know that I am actually doing stuff as well. So, take care of yourselves everyone, and I hope to see you all very soon. See ya!